What if AI could help you earn your first $100 online? In this video, you'll discover 10 proven AI income methods anyone can start in 2026. From AI freelancing to YouTube automation and digital products, these are real opportunities beginners are using right now. Let's get started. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or complete beginner, these 10 proven AI methods can help you start building income in 2026. Content, design, presentations, videos, YouTube, social, websites, prompts, digital products, and the #1 AI income method is coming up next. Stay until the end, because the #1 method has the biggest earning potential, and it's easier to start than you might think.
At number 10, AI content writing. With today's AI tools, beginners can create blog posts, scripts, emails, and marketing content in minutes.
The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer. AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to scale your content, get more clients, and build a profitable online business.
Just give the AI one simple idea, and it can turn it into blog posts, emails, ads, website copy, and YouTube scripts in minutes. Content writers and freelancers AI to work faster and earn more.
Need a professional presentation fast? Just enter your topic, and AI creates beautiful, business-ready slides with smart layouts, graphics, and animations in just seconds.
Businesses pay for professional presentations every single day. With AI, you can create polished slides in minutes, impress clients, and turn your creativity into real income.
Forget spending hours editing videos. Just type your idea, and AI can generate cinematic scenes, add captions, transitions, and professional effects, all in just minutes. This is where AI becomes your personal video editor. From a single idea, it creates stunning visuals, adds captions, smooth transitions, and cinematic effects, helping you. AI can help creators turn one simple idea into a complete content package. From scripts and cover designs to optimized titles and captions, it saves hours of work and lets you focus on creating amazing videos. Creating videos doesn't have to be difficult. AI helps organize ideas, plan content, and save valuable time, so you can focus on making better videos. This is where AI becomes your personal video editor. From a single idea, it creates stunning visuals, adds captions, smooth transitions, helping you produce professional videos in a fraction of the time.
Create eye-catching social media content in less time. AI helps you design beautiful posts, write engaging captions, and stay creative every day.
Building a website is easier than ever. AI helps create clean layouts, organize content, and design professional web pages in just a few minutes. With AI, creating a professional website is faster than ever. Build clean pages, organize content, and create a modern online presence in just a few simple steps.
A great prompt can save hours of work. AI helps turn simple ideas into clear instructions, making writing, designing, and creating much faster.
Better prompts lead to better results. A few clear instructions can help you work faster, stay organized, and create high-quality content with confidence. Digital products are one of the smartest ways to earn online. Create planners, templates, guides, and digital resources once, then share them with people who find them useful. Turn your ideas into digital products people can use. Create helpful templates, guides, and resources that save time and deliver real value. AI is changing the way businesses work. From planning projects to organizing tasks and creating professional content, AI helps you work smarter, save time, and build a stronger business. Business AI doesn't just save time. It predicts trends, automates decisions, and helps companies grow faster than ever before. You've just discovered 10 powerful AI tools that can help you create content, design presentations, edit videos, build websites, grow on social media, write better prompts, learn one skill, build a portfolio, help real clients, improve your quality with every project. As your experience grows, your income can grow too.
Subscribe for more AI tools, practical tutorials, and new ways to build valuable skills with AI every week. Think AI is only for productivity? Think again. In our next video, you'll discover 10 powerful AI business ideas that can help you start earning in 2026.